Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can increase the quality of your videos by reducing the image noise by using CapCut. So here, you can just open your video in CapCut apps on your phone. And after that, here, click on the video and find the video quality options, and here on the second one there is a reduce image noise, so click on that. And there are two intensity that you can select between weak and strong, so just select the one that you want. I'm going to go with strong. Now CapCut will reducing the image noise. You can just wait, and after it's done, your video quality will be improved. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. Bye.